Set them off but with what?
Look at my shadow, Mum.
Yeah, where are we going to set them off?
Yeah, can't even see ya.
What? How can you get them down? Mum! You idiot! Don't you dare take a picture of these shoes.
Poor little kid who was asleep in the bloody well car.
Poor Paul. I'm having all fun.
I've only just realised there's a window.
I wonder if that's the one in Bottisford.
No. It's only down the road.
And anyway, the ones that are going to be, Mum, are the ones... the ones that are going to be, yeah, they go all off at the same time, don't they? They're like, pew, 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 pew.
Yeah, remember that best one? Hair. Remember that best one I'm going to be?
Pop after it went down. I'm scared.
Hi, Casey.
Hello, Mother.
There's one.
Yeah, there's what I'm on about them.
I'm scared. Can you take home?
Kaden, you're meant to make things with them. Let me go and get one. I like fuck. Wait, can you come up?
How far will it go?
Woo! I make my own Catherine wheel. Why they're called Catherine wheel? Why not something else?
Why are they not called Katie wheels?
I can't do that. Get them blew away. Ah! The spikes are going to touch my hand.
It won't.
That's why they make them like that. I could do with a bit of light on this situation, but if it's not too much trouble.
It's done!
See, I told you it doesn't touch your finger.
Don't touch the end of that. Chuck it on the floor.
Oh, look.
It's just spinning around in my hand. I'm not even holding it properly.
Oh, that was a well good one.
I missed that.
Are they the fireworks what we can set off? Mum, can I have your one?
What?
Here, should I?
Poor Kira.
Right, Case, I need you to put some light down for me. I can't, it's not that. Where's your torch?
It was on my phone.
Oh, should I put
oh,
it back
wait.
now? Should I put it like down on the floor
Yeah.
somewhere? Can I chuck it in that bush?
Just put it down here or something.
Yeah, don't chuck it in any bushes because it might set fire to it.
Right, we need to stand 15 metres away from them.
It's done!
Caitlin, have you got your phone?
Go.
Still watching? Whoa!
That could have hit a tree, Dad.
Yeah, I'll probably have to direct it a bit further that way next time.
Yeah. They just get better fireworks.
Okay, it's going away.
This is not.
Yes.
Yeah, shut this corner. Right, don't everyone just mollycoddle her. Let your mum just deal with it.
I know.
Here, Case, you hold that.
Oh, God!
What?
So close.
You're a twat.
What did I do?
I'm going to chuck things.
Shut up.
I am woman.
All I can see is your shoes, Dad. They glow up in the dark.
All I can see is Daddy.
Shush, please. I want these to be good.
Oh, quick.
Dad, get out of the area now. Get out of the area.
Smile, Father.
I can't see though, Case. You're blinding me.
Sorry.
You should be directing it where I'm walking, not... Case, don't wind me off.
No, it's on camera.
I'm not bothered. I don't want it in my face. Direct it down there. Not that you all see what I'm doing, you pleb.
Sorry.
Who's lighting us?
Dad. Okay, don't, because you...
That
Well, fucking hell, kids. Thanks, I won't bother next year.
I'm sorry. Yes, we have another one.
Fucking there's 19 of the cunts man in here.
We'll probably say Kate as fire.
That's not even funny.
Kate, there's actual fire behind you.
That's not funny either.
Grow up! Just pack it in, Kate. We're all fucking it now. Get out the car. It's pissing me off.
Oh, I didn't realise I was trying to. What?
You still recording?
Yeah.
What's the point in recording me undoing a box?
Oh,
You don't use that.